share ay yung ano, hindi natin saklaw pa yung ganun sa...
No, hindi. Natin.
Streaming
Pwedeng saklawan.
Oo.
Hindi.
Gusto mo ba?
Napakarami.
Ibabalik ko yung tanong sa inyo. Gusto nyo ba?
Sa inyo rin man, super trabahong dagdag yun. No?
Super dami. Dami.
Super, sige. Para masagot natin yung tanong Tito June. No. Kung answerable ba yes or no lang? No. Dahil hindi naman kakayanan ng baka mag-resign sila. Mass resignation ang gawin ng MTRCB. 31 lang sila eh. Including me, 32. But 31 lang ang nagre-review. Baka mahimatay si Rose Garcia kapag sinakop natin yan. But, so, it means, ayaw namin ng board ng direct regulation. But what we want is the cooperation. Gusto namin may kasiguraduhan na committed ang online streaming apps, pati na rin ang social media, na sila ay may commitment to accountability and responsiveness. Ibig sabihin, kapag tayo ay may problema, kapag tayo ay may dunulog sa kanilang kaso o problema, ay makikipagtulungan sila sana sa atin kung paano malulunasan or malulutasan. Tama ba? Malulutas yung problema. Masusolusyonan yung problema. Yun talaga yung main goal namin dito.
May question ako, Chair. Sa tingin mo darating yung panahon na magiging self-regulating talaga tayo? Hindi na kailangan ng classification ng board ng MTRCB?
Sa palagay ko, sana dumating yung panahon na yun, pero malayong-malayo pa tayo dun.
Yes, guys?
Sana, pero malabo.
Share, coming from that, with 2025 also, kasi, ang dami ring pressures outside, like, merong pressure to regulate or check this show, meron ding mga, tawag dito, reklamo, kunyari, di ba, over social media. So, how do you deal with that? How do you know kung dapat ba talaga nang i-review or,
First of
coming
all,
from the,
we don't feel any pressure.
Yes.
Because it is a day-to-day work life here at the MTRCB. So, hindi na namin nafe-feel kung may outside forces. We have our own monitoring inspection unit. And we have clearly established an effective complaints mechanism. Ibig sabihin, kapag may complaints, may sistema yon, may process yon na pinagdadaanan here at the MTRCB. And may hangganan as to what extent, may assessment as to how valid these complaints are. Kasi pwede naman, kunyari lang, dalawang shows na magkatapat the same time, magkaibang channel. Pwede kasing may naninira lang ng kabila.
May bias din.
Oo. So, we have to verify. Meron kaming process on verification bago namin ma-define if it really is a violation or the gravity or the level of its gravitation of its violation, sorry.
Yung reaction mo, Chair, pag may mga ibang like critics who, like may mga industry people in saying na MTRCB should be abolished, ganyan.
Wala akong reaction kasi lahat ng tao yun naman ay tayo ay entitled sa ating sariling opinion.
Pero you think that MTRCB still has parang a responsibility that is parang timely today?
MTRCB has an enormous responsibility. We are here to, again, fulfill our mandate as appointed by the President.